Okay, here we are at Divine's in Durham, and we're going to be mixing for the Groovynators. Here we go. Groovynators playing tonight. We have mixed for them for quite a while. They are a great band. Certainly a must-see if you're in Durham. So anyway, it's about the low 90s right now. It's a little bit humid. We've got stuff, half the stuff moved out. We're still working on it. The bands play out here against the street, which is what the Groovynators will be doing. And we're going to be setting up obviously just in front of the Groovynators. And here's our amplifier rack. If you hear me huffing out here, it's once again it's in the low to mid 90s. It's a bit hot. So we've got the sides of the amp case here. Got the sides on the left and at the top there, and that's just to deflect some of the heat off of the direct case itself. Help to keep the case cool. And well, here's a snake, and I was just getting ready to roll the box in front of the snake. This is the power box in front of the snake to help keep the snake cool just for a little while we're getting stuff set up. So anyway, we're running the RCFs, the NX 45s, and then our sub over here is the JBL SRX 728. So that should be more than enough right here. So we'll follow up. Okay, it's really hot out here still, and we've got a little shield set up over here to block some of the sunlight. There's a flap I've got on here. You can fold over. Sort of covers it. I usually use it to block the sunlight when I'm mixing on outdoor shows when there's a glare, but this is going to work. It's going to look pretty good for now. So anyway, we're working on the front of the house, getting it interfaced into the board. Sorry, over here to the crossover, so hopefully we'll be done here soon. Okay, well here's where front of house is going to be. So the outdoor shows, it's quite a bit different, and we're not too sure sometimes where we're going to be allowed to set up, but we're going to be to the side because they want to make sure that there's enough room for guests to dance and to congregate while the band's playing. So we're sort of out of the way, but let's give you an idea where we're at. And boy, it has been hot out here today. Once again, the heat's slowing us down. All right, the sun is finally going down behind some buildings. It's going to give us a break. It's still probably in the upper 80s right now. It's still really hot. So anyway, we're going to just mark the board. Hopefully turn things on here real soon. Gotta watch for sweat dripping. That's sounds stupid, but that's our real thing here. All it takes is one drop of water to get in on something and man, shut the show down.
Tablet real quick, please.
All right. How's it going, Jody?
Hey.
Yeah, that's how I do it. Better taste the start. That's right. I've never like went to start to finish on that stuff.
I'm sure they all are.
Okay, one of the many pitfalls with having digital boards that you can't see them.
Every now and then, when she starts to go back to pictures, but I will come out of it. We did it. Yeah, we had
Because the reception was in this like restaurant that's kind of like overhanging. She's doing well. So we've got shots from the outside.
Okay, we're assigning the subgroups. This is for the drum kit.
She spent more time working on this than she did volleyball.
The bass is going to have its own. Don't worry about that. Guitar is going to be instruments. Sax. Keys is going to be on instruments. Vocals. Alright, that looks good. Make sure that these subgroups are assigned to main. Everybody's there.
Desire, sunny ones all true. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
And so I was living in Ireland that summer. And
Okay, here's the sub. It's a 728S JBL SRX, and it is way oversized for this venue, but it's actually turned out pretty good. We've got it under control, front of house. The band members say everything sounds good to them, so we just want to make sure we didn't have too much bass coming back on them. Alright guys, the event is over. Went really well. I thought it sounded really well. Hope it'll come out okay on the audio with the camera. We've got a light set up, getting ready to take down front of house.
Alright.
So anyway, yeah, it was a great night.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's Dennis's.
Oh, hey, wait a minute. That needs to be on there.
Well, I felt like getting my kettle to wait.
All right.
Yeah, he picked it up. He practically lifted me too.